Hey guys, how are you today? My name is Leeanne Roost. This is a picture of the birthday girl, my niece, and her sister. Here's the before of the garage. It is a bunch of boxes that haven't been broke down yet. That's basically what I wanted to tackle for her. And just kind of give her a starting point to get this garage under control. I know it can be very overwhelming to tackle a project of this size, but that's why you want to split it up into fragments. You want to take it section by section, as small a sections as you need, as big a sections as you need. Just start somewhere and start left to right or right to left. One of the two, but not both. As you can see around the garage, I have designated areas for certain things. Like I put her decorations in one area, I put her memorabilia in another area,